Hey guys, Micah here. I'm coming back at you with another iMarketslive IML bounce back video. I haven't posted a video for about a week. I'm, been digging in the trenches, perfecting my craft, getting this market structure game down. And, learning market structure has been a blessing, especially with, the bounce back strategy, right? But again, as usual, like, comment, subscribe. If you're looking for someone to partner with it in iMarketslive, my link will be in the description. And I'm going to show you the way we're teaching people who are partnered with us how to trade with bounce back. Of course, when you're new, we're going to teach you, hey, take it the regular way, right? Draw the trend line, and I'm going to do a demonstration for you. But for our guys and our team, we want to have you to see the overview of what the market is doing, right? Especially when bounce back calls the trade, I want my team to mark up the full chart, right? So we can actually see what that pair is doing at that point in time. So I'm going to give you a little demonstration. So we're going to do the odd CAD. So the odd CAD was called on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the basic way to do it is, again, 1 hour time frame. It was called for a sell, right? Sell. So again, first thing we do, we establish, because it's in a sell, it has to be in a buy. And here we go. We got the buy, right? That's the buy. Okay, now we drop down 2 time frames, and this is where we draw our trend line. So we're going to draw a trend line, right? Here you go. The third thing we do, we drop down 1 more time frame, and this is all we're looking for, right? As a newbie, right? As a beginner, all we're looking for is price to break this trend line, and at the same time have the break of the MACD, right? So this is what I'm looking at right now. I think it's going to come back up, and the MACD is going to come back down, and this is when we'll get our cross of the trend line, and this is when we'll buy. So for beginners, again, we only go for 20-30 pips, right? Because, we want you to get in and get out of the market quick, right? For beginners, 20 to 30 pips. That's all you want to take as a beginner. Okay, so basically that's it. And you're gonna do this over and over and over on every signal gap that's called, right? And as you can see, let's see how many calls were today. Today is the 21st. So there was the Euro USD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades called today, right? So this is exactly what beginners are going to do every single trade. Okay, so but for my team and what we're going to teach our team and what our trainers are teaching us, you see, our trainers are 6-7 figure traders, right? And they've been doing this for years. And what I like about them is they teach market structure and give us a whole different perspective of the bounce back strategy, because once you see what it's doing, it's easier to take, because you know what the market is doing. So let me just mark this up real quick for you. And again, if you will learn this when you do partner with us, because we believe strongly in the market, right? And then you can determine, hey, this is a good sell, or this is a good signal to take, right? So as you can see, the market, made its way down, right? Now it's making its way back up, right? So it touched here, came back all the way down, touched here, right? So let's drop down 1 more time frame, because we got to get a deeper, analysis, right? Okay, so I see this. I see another trend line I could make, which price broke, right? So now I see another trend line going back up, right? Okay, I'm gonna drop it a little bit lower, right? So you can see it broke this trend line, right? And this is a strong trend line because we made it on the daily time frame. Okay, so look what the market's doing right now, right? just on this 4-hour time frame, right? Higher high, higher low, higher, higher high, higher low, higher high, and this is where it called the sell, right? So for me, I'm expecting let me get this right. Because bounce back called the sell, this is what I'm expecting. What did it do every time it touched this, right? Here you go. Boom. Boom. 2, 3. It came back and it touched our trend line 3 times. So for me, I'm guessing the next move, right, is, there you go. Next move, up. Next move, and who knows, right? Watch it here. It might break, right? Or it might shoot back down, right? So this is how we react to the market, right? So either scenario, right, we're ready for what the market is doing, right? So I can see the bounce back. I take this trade, right? I take this trade based on what I see, right? So now let's get into the bounce back, right? And why did it call it, right? Let me erase all of this. Okay. So again, this is the hour, drop down to the hour time frame, right? See, now you can see, came back down, right? Shot back up, drop to the 15, right? This is where we draw our trend line, right? So now this is the move I'm expecting, right? Break, come back, and touch this trend line for the move back up, right? And this is what we want to, this is what we're going to teach, you know, our people who partner with us, because we want them to have a full overview of the market. So personally, seeing this, I would take this trade, right? Because I know what it's doing. So again, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was informative. Again, like, comment, subscribe, share. And if you do want to partner with me and my team, the link will be in the description. Until the next video, aloha, stay blessed.